Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use various succulents in a small space to create a garden tapestry. So welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and this is Around the House with Cheryl, where I show you how to make all things beautiful inside and outside your home. So let's get started. So this is a succulent that takes up most of the space in this little area. I'll give you a better view in a second. This is a sedum, and right next to it is a little blue star creeper, and next to that is a plant called lithdoria. But as you can see, I have various succulents and sedums in this little space. It's a circular space on my patio, and most of the plants that do bloom purple or pink. So you can kind of see the blue star creeper there and the sedums. But this took a couple years for me to finally find a few plants that would multiply and spread. This is another sedum. This one blooms later in the spring, summer here, where most sedums usually bloom maybe later in the summer, fall. So I still have a few gaps, but it's going to take a little time before all this fills in. But like I said, I've been multiplying this area for several years. I also have a clematis vine there that blooms as a ground cover, and that's a woolly thyme. That'll bloom pink soon, and I'll share that with you when that happens. So we're going to go around and let you see the other side. I had to get behind these chairs and pots, but see how much this blue star creeper multiplied. The one on the other side is not as big as this one. I think it may have got a little crowded with the sedum. Okay, and this goes, like I said, all the way around this semicircle on my patio. I did purchase another lithodium there. I had one over here before, but twice I tried it and it didn't make it. So I got the sedums going all the way to the end. So here I have another creeping thyme with the lithodium. Look, coneflower popped in there. I'll have to pull that out. But see, I have to get this side filled in a little bit more. So I'm going to try to give you a full view of how this tapestry looks. So from this angle, you see how it starts and it goes all the way around. I really enjoy how it turned out. It's easy to care for because they don't require too much water, but they do require some water. So I'm going to try to go down here and kind of give you this full effect. But if you have a small space that you're looking for something to cover with ground covers, then these succulents and the blue star creeper and the lithodium would work. Since I'm over here, I just want to quickly show you my hydrangeas here. These grow in full sun, and they're doing pretty good. We had a little frost early, but they seem to recover. Some are pink and some are blue, and that's based on the soil. So there you see my patio tapestry. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and check out some more of my gardening videos. I'm sure you will enjoy. Okay, guys, if you want to know a little bit more information on the name of these plants, just comment below and I will get back to you with the names if you're interested in trying to grow these beautiful succulents in your garden. Take care, and I will talk to you guys on the next video.